So this is me soldering after a long time of me not soldering for a while, so I was practicing doing it. And as you can see here are the solder joints, or this where I soldered. As you can see, I haven't been doing it for a long time, and so yeah, I've been out of touch with it, but I'm improving a bit. So I'm getting back into it now, and these are broken cables that I scrapped from broken electronics, so these cables are no good, but I'm able to solder them together alright. So thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all next time.